And bam, nigga. Hold on. Turn on the light. You feel me? It's your boy. It's your boy. Bangers on. Look, bro.
First video, bro.
Bangers on 2022.
22.
Facts. Bangers on 2022.
Niggas,
bro.
Right now.
They not, bro.
They're not messing with us.
Niggas is not competing with us, bro.
For real.
They not, bro.
Hey, tell them what we ready to do, man.
Bro, we ready to cut up. We ready to go to a car meet. You feel me?
Yeah. Oh, right now, hold on. That's a little tunnel.
It's a tunnel. Cut up season.
All right, so right now, we going to car meet. Fat car meet, Indiana. Look at the road.
Plain. No one in sight.
Slow down. We get the police on us, good. Black is hot. All right, so we going to this car meet right now in Indiana, and let me tell you straight. Yeah, I heard. Man, this YouTuber gonna be there.
Hey.
So we don't know.
Hey, no secrets.
No secret. You know
No
what I'm
secret.
saying? No secret.
Bro, I ain't really seen the car for real. But peep.
Peep.
Feel me?
We got in here.
Red. You feel me? All through.
Hey, it's a V6, but hey.
Hey.
Still get up through.
Hey, my boy. But look though, at the end of the day, damn, throw my shit. At the end of the day, you niggas is not fucking with us.
For real.
Y'all not.
We got we can't curse like that. It's our first. So we gotta like keep the language.
Yeah.
I'll blur it out.
Alright, we'll blur it out.
But you know I'm a professional editor.
Cut up season.
I'm with it all. Slow down a little like so. We gonna hit y'all back when we meet up with Sean and them, bro.
Right.
We gonna hit y'all back when we hit up with Sean.
Right,
and we out of here, man. Gonna catch y'all when we in the thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this where the shooters be. She saying no paper over there. Shit, she barely eating that. Going live trying to talk about who got shot. We don't get into that. Leave it up in the street.
Yeah, me.
I ain't trying to go to jail.
And we got
Man, if y'all want to see Camaro videos, go holler at my girl. You know her. Her YouTube is Call Killer. Quit playing with her business. That's how we do it out here. You feel me?
yeah.
Bro, what the
That
hell?
boy ugly as hell, boy.
No shit, bro.
Early down. That is a trophy. I ain't no rookie.
Copyright. We fat in here, y'all.
Facts, man.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, man.
Hold on.
Let me see my phone. We fat in here, man.
Yeah.
We gonna hand y'all over to him right here.
Yeah. You know, yeah. It's your boy, Long Dick Willie in the building.
Road trip.
I need this shit.
Road trip, man.
Road trip, man. Gang,
Road
man.
trip.
Gang,
Road
man.
trip.
Gang.
Road trip. Let's break the little point line.
Sliding, riding, gliding. My boy, you feel me?
Wait, hit that nigga.
Shabransky, you feel me? Stanley in the cut. We are now on our destination. We are on our way to the destination, man. You feel me? We're on our way to the destination.
Shit, I might fuck around and hit somebody.
I want to hang out the window.
For real?
Fuck around.
At the sunroof?
Fuck around.
Hell yeah.
I don't want to fuck up your thing.
What, my camera?
No, nigga, this.
Oh shit, nigga, I'm you bitch. You're supposed to stand on the You're supposed to stand on the whatchamacallit.
I don't want to get you, bro.
Man, you know what I'm saying? We fat in here, man. You Phoebe. Nah, but we got to get the footage done, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We got the little Camaro, you feel me? On gang. And we got the Daytona Sean, you feel me? We got Sean in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We got everybody. We got the Jeep SRT, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that boy loud as hell.
I see that motherfucker everywhere.
Oh, God. Ask about me, man. Ask about me, man. I got the best footage, bro. Sound like it's farting.
Worry about driving.
Yes. Who, me?
Yes.
Oh.
You need to worry about driving, nigga.
Oh, God. Now, see, all these motherfuckers here, man. So you trying to...
Out the sunroof with it, man. Man, gang, man. You niggas ain't never gonna get no footage like this, man. You niggas ain't never gonna do nothing like this, man. Gang in the back, man.
highway. And that shit.
Feel me? We gonna get back to y'all when we get on the highway and shit. Feel me? We was cutting up, nigga. I'm crying and shit. Feel me?
I bet.
Alright, gang.
I'm balling, so I put some diamonds on my fist.
Yes, sir!
Celery rock, you're passing the rock.
Did my nigga just beat a Daytona?
Nah, he was good.
Bro, what the hell? They gonna pull us over.
It's a Charger. I thought he was in our group. No way. They all passing us. Bro. Ain't no way. And we, bruh. Did we expect that, bro?
No, we did not expect it.
We did not expect it. No. You gotta put that away, boy.
Word.
Just keep it in your pocket. He ain't gonna search you or nothing. What the heck? Hey, but we gonna turn y'all back. We should record the thing, right? Yeah, I think he's just gonna give me a warning. I thought it was one of y'all behind me. I didn't know it was him. Okay. Yeah, we'll probably be straight. Alright, bro, not again, bro. No, that's like my 100th time getting pulled over, bro.
You're not supposed to be driving?
No, I got a permit.
Bro, we're going to jail.
No. Did he check my record? Nah, man. I'm gonna turn that back on when he gets over here, though.
Alright, bro. Here's all this back.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you're good. So with the permit, man, I could do a lot of crazy shit right now, like tow your car and do all that, but I'm not gonna do that, okay?
Okay.
You gotta do me a huge favor, though. I know you guys are gonna go have fun tonight, but you can't be running from the police or.
Oh no, this is not going nowhere.
I know that or wrecking, man, because
Yeah.
I'm technically liable for me. So if you wreck, man, since I let you drive.
Yeah, I'm a good driver, but I would
I
never.
mean, it's not totally on me. I mean, you can't just go do whatever you want. You know?
Yeah.
I'm just saying, I just want you guys to be careful, man. I understand you guys are young, want to have fun, but just understand that if you get in trouble tonight, like your chance of getting a license. I mean, like it is in Indiana, if you get caught doing something stupid on a permit, you're not gonna get your license. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just want you guys to be safe, man.
Okay. Thank you.
You guys all right?
Yeah, we're good.
All right, be careful.
All right, you have a nice day.
You mean night?
Yeah, nice night. Ain't no way.
Oh my god. Bro, let me see the camera. Bro, when I tell you we just got away with that, bro. Like, bro, I gotta use my phone, like, cause you feel me, we king. Bro, when I tell you we just got away with that,
We got away.
I damn near shitted on myself.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I damn near shitted on myself, y'all.
I ain't know that was you. You a bitch. You a bitch, nigga. What you gonna do, nigga? You know what I'm saying? We posted up in this motherfucker, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? We posted it. You know what I'm saying? Got the wild ass fucking. I'm not gonna lie, that shit scared the fuck out of me.
Hey, facts.
That RT scared the fuck out of me.
Just a little bit.
Nigga, you a bitch. Ah! Ugly ass nigga. Posted in this motherfucker. Hey, what? But my shit going out, bro. Fuck, my shit need to wash though. Not even bring it back to you. Can't even. But you know we got that perpendicular interior.
All over your shit, bitch.
You ugly as hell, boy. I'm ready to get on your little ugly. Hey! On God, nigga. Take my shit back. My shit back, nigga. My shit back, nigga. Oh, my shoes. Oh, my shoes. You a bitch. My shoes came off. Oh no. You think I can go get his bitch ass? Bro, I'm faster than you, bro. This nigga think I'm not faster than you. Let me get it. Shit.
So look, y'all. So look, bro, we just pulled up to another gas station. We just got the Addy. We ready to go see. We ready to go over.
You too slow, bro. You too slow.
Man, we ready to slide over there. Oh yes, sir. Skate. Yes, sir. Ski. Slide gang or no gang, you niggas cannot handle. Slide gang or no gang, you niggas cannot handle.
All right, y'all. So unfortunately, our spot got raided by some motherfucking police and everything. Like that spot got raided, but we got some content in for y'all. My shit blurry. Oh, my camera ready down. How's my?
It's on the glizzy pocket full of rats. Mix my niggas so that we can't get him back. So any nigga that you catch, I got 30.
Y'all catching this shit, nigga. We got motherfucking Durangos in that bit. Little bitch, nigga.
It's Dicky. It's Dicky. It's no real Dicky, bitch. Hey, hey, hey. I don't give a fuck with a nigga. You say I'm not on nothing, won't you come see? Call me Muhammad Ali, I stay like a bee. I be walking on her, I be fly as fuck. I be pulling her, she be mad as fuck. New Dookie is my name, and I stand on it. Give me any beat, nigga, and I'ma stand on it. I'm pulling right now, fuck you and you. I'm a young nigga, I stand alone with no crew. If you didn't know, my favorite color is blue. I go to today's man, nigga, you shop at Five Loop. Fuck a hook, nigga, fuck a hook. Nigga, fuck a hook, fuck a hook, fuck a hook. Nigga, fuck a hook. Fuck a hook. Fuck a hook, nigga, fuck a hook, fuck a hook. I don't need that in every song. I'm not going back and forth. This ain't ping pong. I'm on top of shit, nigga. Call me King Kong. I got real men that got me as they ringtone. I'm a real nigga. What the fuck you on? I smoke real weed, nigga. I'm talking that strong. I'm a boss, nigga. I hang around real niggas, and if you fuck with me, then they gon' take his ass away, niggas dismiss. Niggas be pissed cause Nicky is the shit. But I don't give a fuck cause I'm that man. Yes, nigga, you a junkie, nigga, you be poppin' Zans. Everybody, I don't need no brands.
What the hell? What the fuck? Oh, it's right. What the? Ain't no way. No, I was like, yeah, you was right, get up there.
Get your friends up, nigga, let's get real. Come on, my whole team's going. I got niggas playing big. Sit down. I'm up in the stew making hits after hits. Go! I think your bitch like me, I'm giving you a hint. Go! Niggas in the streets snitching like a master link. What? All bitches say they got that water more like Flint dirt. I'ma live my fucking life cause bitches ain't shit. I stay down by myself, get to the grind by myself, sip this wine by myself, grind by myself. Let me tell you something else. People start to come around once you get that buzz. Fuck away from me with that fake love. I want me a all-white Bentley like a bug. Shout out to my fans that's really showing love. I'm a young nigga and I'm really growing up. Yeah, I'm the big dog nigga in Budapest. Yeah, I'm just speaking facts. I ain't pushing too much. Yeah, I'm just speaking facts. Yeah, say too much. Yeah. Bitch, I thought you knew it. Pull up the battle lane, check my do it. Bitch, you broke, I can't help you go through it. The negative talk, I just always walk through it. I'm one man, not a boy, treat me like a king. I wanna go Maserati in the Bentley beams. Girl, come over so I can make a cream. Duke your legend, don't you see me building on my team? You keep feeling on me, I'ma get up in them jeans. Pull up the stop and go, get a Russian cream back. Don't even look, I'm acting like a beam. I'm on a whole other planet, I ain't talking sheen. New tent on the whip, I ain't tryna be seen. In the back with the boss and the real killers. Plus the bass in my trunk, I don't fuck with new niggas, I ain't tryna feel them. I don't fuck with new bitches, I ain't tryna heal, man. I'm tryna get a Hellcat so I can start feeling. I'm tryna get a big mansion with the top ceilings. Not somewhere in the open, but in the hills chilling. I told my nigga, fuck the party, it's a lot of friction.